All right, my witches, how's it going? This is Ashley from Made in Wax Magic, and today I'm going to show you how to make some Brigid's crosses for Imbolc. Now, these are really simple. These are just basket weaving reeds. You can see they're very, they're not exactly pretty. They're not Irish reeds or anything, but they work for the purpose. So what you're going to do first is you're going to cut them about, I would say about 8 to 9 inches long, depending on what you're comfortable with. So before you get started with your actual making of the Brigid's cross, you want to soak these reeds in water for about 20 to 30 minutes. So they're nice and soft and they don't snap when you bend them. See how it's nice and pliable? Yeah, if these were just dry, like they come, in the package or whatever, it would snap if you tried to bend it. I have 12 here. And we're just gonna go ahead and start. Take your first one here and your second one in a cross shape. Cool? You're gonna fold it like so. And just kind of squeeze it down. Squish, 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 squish. There we go. See how it's in the middle. So now you have this, and then you turn it counterclockwise, so the folded one is sticking up. All right, then you take another reed and fold it in half. Boom. There we go. And hold it in the middle here so they don't all fall apart. Another reed, fold in half. Beautiful. There we go. Cool. Another reed. Fold in half. And another reed. Fold it in half. Simple. And another reed. Fold it in half. And turn. You just keep on going in that way. Folding in half, turning, folding in half, turning. You get your last reed, fold it in half, and see, you got a nice little shape there. And this makes your Brigid's cross. Now it's a lot prettier when it's flat reeds, but I don't have that available here in Florida. But when you're done, you can secure these with a rubber band or a twist tie, or with twine. It doesn't really matter, just as long as it gets secured, then you can kind of tighten everything up here. So when you're finished, it's going to look something like this. This is my finished cross, and you can see that I secured it with some twine here, and I trimmed the ends so they're all nice and even. I threaded some more twine through the top of the diamond eye here. This is so I can hang it next to our door. So a Brigid's cross is specifically for hanging next to a doorway or a window. You leave it up all year long until you make a new one next year, and then this one will get buried somewhere in the earth, and the new one will get put up, on so on and so forth. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. Again, this is Ashley with Made in Wax Magic, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.